Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's Friday. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it's Friday again. And you have a distance learning day on Monday, so we're not going to see you for 3 days. I hope you have a really fun weekend. We've been talking about kindness all week, and I have to say that I have seen and heard people being kind on campus all week long. I can't wait to hear more about that. I also thought of a great idea for the Pledge of Allegiance. I'm going to do the Pledge of Allegiance today, okay? But I'm hoping that teachers, can you take a video of your class doing the Pledge of Allegiance, or a few people in your class, or maybe just one person, whatever you want to do, and then email me that video, and then I can just slide those into my morning assembly, and we can have some other people help lead us in the Pledge of Allegiance in the next couple weeks. That would be super fun. I know you just love watching me do the Pledge of Allegiance by myself in my office. It's kind of weird. But I want to see you guys doing the Pledge of Allegiance, and I want to hear your amazing voices. So I'm going to do it today, and then send me some videos. Can you please stand at attention? Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Go ahead and have a seat. Show me a good slant. You're sitting up straight, you're listening, you're about ready to ask and answer questions. So I'll tell you right now, you better just get your hand ready, because I know you're going to want to say something. But don't put it up yet. Keep it down. I just want to hear some shout outs today. We've talked all about kindness this week. We've talked about how to help if somebody's unkind, or how to help if it's even worse, like there's a bully. And I want to hear some shout outs today. Who have you noticed being kind? Give them a shout out in your class. Tell everybody what amazing thing they did. Okay? Have a great day, Achieve, and have a great weekend. Be kind to each other. Bye.